a sign. It's a sign. Guys, I literally bought this yesterday. I haven't even used it. Alright, like button is not in. It's stuck and locked, guys. This is supposed to freely rotate. Oh my gosh, that's why I don't get shit from Harbor Freight. But I do have a 1-year warranty on it. But this is kind of annoying. I didn't even use it. How does it break before you? Alright guys, so remember how I said I still had to shave the tabs of the carbon fiber fenders? Well, I'm about to do that right now. I just picked up an angle grinder, so the car is ready. But guys, the hatch is outside. Leo, what's going on with the hatch?
Well, time to say goodbye.
Leo, what do you mean goodbye? Wait, what do you mean you're saying goodbye to the hatch?
No more hatch. That's it.
You're parting it out?
Over. Yep.
What? Alright guys, so I know we haven't really vlogged all day, but yeah, motor's out.
Kinda.
Almost. It's getting a little stuck. But yeah, and we still haven't told them why. The motor's just coming out and shit, and we haven't told them what's going on.
I forgot about this vacuum line.
It's all just happening at once. Leo was gonna, you know, paint the car and do all that stuff, but an opportunity came up and now he's parting out the hatch just like that because shit's crazy, guys. But he's getting another hatch. I don't know if we said it earlier, but
only a couple people know because I told them, a couple of subscribers.
Yeah guys, I don't know if we said it earlier in the video, but he's getting another hatch, guys. A car came across, and well, he's gonna get a shell, and it's a dope ass car, so for this shell he needs to make room, so he's parting out the hatch in order to make room for that car. But he's getting another hatch, guys, and hopefully if everything goes smooth, he's gonna pick it up on Monday.
Yeah.
So guys, you guys will see very soon what this car is, but it is a hatch. That's your only hint. And yeah guys, so if you guys want any stuff, he's completely parting out the hatch, guys. So whatever it is, B20, B16 cable transmission, or any of the goodies, maybe like that roll bar, the wheels, if you guys want a shifter, whatever guys. If you guys don't follow him on Instagram already, his Instagram will be right here.
Whoops.
Pretty sure you're gonna put like everything for sale, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna put everything on Instagram.
Yeah guys, so he will have a full parts list, and guys, the hatch has a lot of goodies, so if you guys have an EF or any other Civic that might fit, but hit him up guys. Definitely a lot of goodies going. Alright guys, engine is out. And that makes 2 Civics with no motors. How you feeling, bro? It's not gonna hit you until start selling shit?
Probably when the car's gone.
When the car's gone.
Yeah, so it's like, oh fuck. Oh well, I had my fun with it.
Damn. I know you guys probably still think we're joking, but like, nah guys, it was out of nowhere. My boy Leo's jumping on it. But guys, honestly, you guys are gonna like the new hatch so much more, probably, because I don't know, it's just, let's just say guys, it's, I don't know what's the word, it's more trendy. It's more trending right now, the new hatch.
I want to say 2 words, but everyone's probably gonna guess.
Yeah, I was thinking the same word. Yeah, guys, I was gonna say the same exact 2 words, but yeah, it's gonna give it away pretty much. But yeah, I still need to finish my other side of the fender, so I guess I'll do a quick time lapse of me cutting shit. You guys can see there's still a little bit of residue. So I'm gonna finish up that fender, and then SGK would be good to go. I don't know if anybody's coming over later, but yeah, me and Leo got pushing the hatch right here, and still gotta take off a few things. So yeah, guys, hit up Leo. Bucket seat, bucket rails. What other suspension goodies you have?
I got 4 Tunados, coilovers. The 2 fronts have recently gotten rebuilt.
Are those only specific to EFs, or?
You could probably use them for other cars. You will have to change out the ports.
Okay.
I got PCI seat bracket, some Invictus bucket seat, Energy 5-point harness, auto power roll bar, Godspeed lower control arms, ASR subframe brace with a 25 mil.
They just got.
Yeah, I know. I just got that freaking sway bar. Little bullshit. B16 cable trans. B20B. I got a B16 VTEC head.
Oh yeah, he does have a VTEC head, guys, just sitting. I don't know if you guys remember that, but it's over there somewhere. Never got thrown on.
SSRs might be sold for the right price.
Yep, SSR Dory guys is really rare, but it's gonna be a pretty penny, guys. But I don't know if you guys want a vent. You know, part out the vent.
Maybe, I don't know. I think David wanted it.
Oh yeah, that would look pretty cool on David's car, actually.
If he gets it molded and
Yeah,
does it right.
yeah, that's true. But yeah, guys, hit up Leo. Full part out.
K-tune shifter with a Spoon Sports shift knob.
Yeah, guys, K-tune shifter, Spoon Sport shift knob, looks really nice. What about the steering wheel? You gonna keep that for the other car?
Keep the steering wheel. I will get rid of the hub and the quick release though.
Yeah.
Because I do need a steering wheel for the other car.
Also, guys, what was that, P28?
Oh yeah, P28 ECU. I do have a DPFI to multi-point engine harness for an EF for 8889, which is really plug and play. It has OBD2 injectors, I think OBD2 distributor plug, OBD2 alternator.
Yeah, guys, so
A bunch of shit.
also
the wing.
a wing too. I don't know, spare 4x100 wheel. Oh, guys, a lot of things. Just hit up Leo, see what he has.
Center garnish.
Yeah, guys, so EF guys out there or anybody else, let your buddies know.
Silky beat.
Alright, guys, so shaved off my tabs. If this adjusts, I'll be able to show you guys. Any day now. No, you don't want to adjust? Yeah, guys, so just pretty much just cut off the tabs and just grinded it down a little bit, so my tires will now have more clearance, and hopefully I don't crack these open, so that is good. Fenders are good now. Probably gonna go lower sometime later this week, but guys, when I say lower, I'm just gonna kill the wheel gap. I'm not gonna go like slammed, so don't worry, guys. If I go lower, I'm not gonna ruin the fenders, especially since I cut off the tab, so I have plenty of safe room to go lower. Just at least you kill the wheel gap, guys. It'll look a lot better. Another part, guys, we forgot to mention is that a innovative, right?
Yeah, innovative.
Innovative shift linkage. So it's red, which is kind of weird. Mine on the Civic was it black or
It's like gray, charcoal gray.
gray? Like, yeah, charcoal gray. Leo didn't even order it this color, it just came red. Yeah, so well, hope you like red, pretty much. And get a full view of the shifter. So yeah, right now we're gonna push the Civic back inside, and then the rest of the stuff will come off some other day. It's already getting dark. But yeah guys, definitely a bittersweet moment. It's way later in the night. We got Jesse, we got Leo, and pretty much the hatch just needs to be pushed in here. But yeah, how you feel about this, Jesse?
Had so many memories in that hatch.
Bro.
I gotta miss the hatch.
Wolfie. Wolfie.
Wolfie, pay attention to Uncle Andy.
Look at the camera.
Over here. Over here, buddy.
No.
You got smacked by your own door. No. Why? Get you some reps. Let us big ballers hang with the real ones.
Ready? Here I go.
Just joking. I know.
It's gonna have to go down. Yeah, I piped it too.
Ain't nobody pipe this. Joseph piped it. Shut up.
Take the e-brake off.
No, keep going. There you go. So I'm gonna put the.
You would have been killed, Wolfie.
Alright guys, signing off this vlog.
Again?
Yes, for sure this time. So we got Juice WRLD.
Shut up.
Who invited? Okay, anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. So comment down below what you guys think about Leo getting rid of the hatch, but I promise you guys the new project is gonna be so dope. So
you see it's something else. It's the.
what are you eating?
It's not front wheel drive.
Yeah, it's a hatch and it's not front wheel drive. That's what you're eating. What are you eating?
I'm not eating it.
What is that?
I don't know.
Alright guys, with that being said,
That's
this
not
video is
glazed.
sponsored by CC's.